Welcome to Future Connect Training Institute.
Hi, my name is Elaine Grant, and I'm a trainee with Future Connect. I've been with Future Connect since March 2025 last year, and I'm very, to be honest, I'm amazed of the kind of training that I have received from Future Connect. I first joined with Future Connect to enable me to do a training, practical training in payroll, and how it all started because I had worked in finance before during my career, and payroll was one of my strongest, I could say, experiences that I had at that time. But because I didn't have any qualifications when I left the organisation, I wanted to get back into payroll with a qualification prior for me to get back into work. I've got payroll qualifications at level 2 with the other providers, but when I joined up with Future Connect was able to give me resources. They were able to give me practical work experience as if I'm working in a real organisation. And what happened was it helped me then to realign my vision to get back into the workplace as if I'm working for a company, so to speak. I love the idea of me doing bookkeeping first before I can get into payroll. And also when I did complete payroll, I then went on to do accounts assistant, which I thought I would be job ready to get back into work. But as time went on and I was enjoying the training that was given by Future Connect, I then wanted to do further training in final accounts, taxation, and then I went to do a management accounts, and now I'm finally doing a training course in financial analysis. So as a result of that now, with Future Connect's help and support along the way, I'm now doing a self-assessment training, as well as doing the AAT level 3, and now they're preparing me to get me into roles that I've been training with them from the start, from when I started with Future Connect, from bookkeeping through to payroll, through to accounts assistant, final accounts, taxation, management account, and now financial analysis, which is still ongoing, as I said before. One of the things I am delighted with Future Connect is the support. As I said, the assistance that I get, they're easy to, the advisors there, they're all easy to talk to. If you have any queries, because I'm one of those students that do pure online training, that's where I am. But at the same time, I know that if I need any help and assistance from them, they are able to help me with my CV. They're able to help me with the kind of work I want to get into. And also, I am happy with all of the resources that they give me to help me along. I can't really fault Future Connect whatsoever with all the help and support they've given me this far. And I would like to be with them for a long time to come, to be honest. At the same time, I will be spreading the word to other potential students who would like to, if they're looking to do something different, or something that they're really interested in doing in accounts or whatever. I would recommend Future Connect anytime. Many thanks. Bye.